Hi, I'm Bret Arsenault. I'm the Chief Information Security Officer at Microsoft. Well, I came to give a talk on practically how we protect Microsoft and some of the technologies and processes that we use to protect the company. Key things you need to do from a technical perspective, but probably as importantly, we talked about the governance process and how you make decisions, prioritize risk, and then go work against those risks, which I think was a really important part of the discussion. The second part on the technical side is really simple. You've got to have multi-factor authentication pervasively in your environment. You need to have device health. You have to have those two things plus great telemetry from your services if you're going to have any chance at protecting the data that you're either managing for your customer or custodians on behalf of others for. I think the reality is that we're trying to protect the pivot, right? I mean, if things happen, you don't want people to come in on some low-level assurance identity and then pivot to something that's important and get access to things. So just being really strong about using StrongAuth all the time that won't let you remotely play those is super important. And then secondarily on this device side, as I said, if you have an unmanaged device, it's 71% more likely to actually get malware on it. And so those two things really help contain blast radius of things happening. Sure, I think we're pretty clear as we look at this client-to-cloud world, the only way to really do it safely and make the user experience awesome is, number one, we have to get these identity systems built in and integrated so that you can do biometric, know something, be something versus know something, know something. It's super important for us. And then we see, so identity really becomes the new perimeter for us so that you can be in any shop, on any device, on any location, connected to any service and still be secure in that model. So that's super important. And then we think supply chain. Clearly we're seeing a lot of issues in the supply chain and it's one step away, 2 steps, 3 steps away from your business. So how do you ensure you're getting the right protection there as well?